Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content.
What is your job?
I run my own business.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I do.
Is your friend Indian?
Yes, he is Indian.
How far is it from here?
It takes about 2 minutes by bike.
How often do you watch TV?
I am busy, so I don't watch TV.
Do you have time?
No, I am busy.
Is your brother at home?
No, he is out.
Do you travel often?
No, I don't like traveling.
Can I borrow your car?
Sure.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, I didn't sleep well.
Do you know where my book is?
Your book is on the table.
Why are you studying English?
I can communicate when I travel.
How did you learn English?
My uncle taught me.
What do you do in free time?
I don't have any free time.
How is the weather?
It's little bit cold.
How are you?
I am wonderful.
What's the matter?
I'm not feeling so good.
What would you like to drink?
Just a glass of water.
How was the party?
Small but fun.
What time is it?
It's 10:30.
Who did Sarah call last night?
Sarah called her mother.
When does the plane leave?
It leaves at 11 p.m.
Which one do you prefer?
The red one.
What is your favorite food?
I like pasta.
How often do you go to cinema?
Twice a month.
Would you like to have coffee?
No thanks, I like tea.
How about a cup of tea?
That sounds good.
Do you like vegetables?
Sometimes, but not all the time.
Where are you going?
I am going to market.
What time do you go to office?
I go at 9 a.m.
Do you eat meat?
No, I don't eat meat.
What are you doing?
I am doing my office work.
When is your birthday?
On March 4th.
What do you want to do?
I don't know.
Why are you laughing?
Because I heard a funny story.
Do you live in a city?
No, I don't.
Where is John?
He is taking a shower.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Why are you putting on coat?
I am going in a wedding.
Have you seen my phone?
No, I haven't.
What did you think of the film?
It was great.
Why are you angry today?
Because you are late.
Can you dance?
Yes, but not well.
How is your family?
Everyone is good.
How about your work?
It's going well.
How do you know me?
I have seen you in a party.
What does your father do?
My father is a teacher.
Who ran?
Jenny ran the fastest.
Where are you coming from?
I am coming from the office.
Do you know me?
Yes, I know you.
Are you ill?
Yes, I am having fever.
Where were you?
I was in Delhi.
Who is he?
He is my brother.
Who old are you?
I am 20 years old.
When did you come?
I came yesterday.
What's up these days?
Nothing special, as usual.
What do you want?
I want a shirt.
What do you like?
I like to read book.
What is the problem?
There is no problem.
Who wants to know?
I'm just curious.
Is everything okay?
Yes, absolutely fine.
How was your day?
It was fine.
Do you need any help?
Yes, please help.
How are you feeling now?
I am feeling better.
Who is that fellow?
She is my mother.
Do you hate me?
No, of course not.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
What bring you here?
I am here to meet you.
When will you come?
I will come by tomorrow.
Who are you?
I am John.
When will you go?
I will go after 1 week.
How is your health?
I am good.
Where is the bath shop?
The bath shop is in the bathroom.
Do you wanna go?
Yes, I want to go.
Are you upset?
Yes, I am upset.
Are you prepared?
Yes, I'm fully prepared.
How long it will take you to come?
I will be there in 10 minutes.
Why to go?
Because I have a meeting to attend.
Whom to meet?
I am here to meet Jenny.
Is it near here?
Yes, it's just around the corner.
What are you playing?
I am playing Ludo.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning.
Did you like the movie?
Yes, I loved it.
Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
What's happening?
Just the usual.
How's tracking?
Not too bad.
How goes it?
It goes very well.
How's it going?
It's going good.
How's it hanging?
Everything is good.
How have you been?
I've been great.
What's going on?
Not a whole lot.
What's cracking?
All good in the hood.
What's new?
Not much.
How's everything?
It could be worse.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.